Hello everyone, welcome back to Vedanti tutorial. I am your Gunapriya. In before section we have discussed the exercise 3C, that is 1C of first Roman, first problem and second problem. Now we will discuss the second Roman of the first problem. Okay, before going to the problem, let's discuss a note. The length of the chord. First one is the length of chord. Chord is nothing but 2 root of r square minus d square. So this is the note 1. Now second note, the equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c from the center. That means the center from this equation to the line ax plus by plus c, then the perpendicular distance that is d equals to ax1, that means center is here x1 comma y1, from the center x1 comma y1 to the circle ax plus by plus c, then the perpendicular distance will be ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. Okay, this is the formula for this. If an equation given, that means circle equation, then the center and the line, that means ax plus by plus c equals to 0, then the perpendicular distance formula, the d formula is ax1 plus by1 plus c. Here mod is there, don't forget here, mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. Now we'll go for the problems. Now we go through the problems. Okay, this is our first problem of the second Roman of exercise 1C. See here, they are asked to find out the length of chord. Find the length of the chord intersected by this circle. That means they have given one circle equation. The circle equation is on the y minus x. That means y equals to x minus 3. So it is related to the note, right? Okay, let's see. First, given, what's the given? So given x square plus y square minus x plus 3y minus 22 equals to 0. Okay. Next, y equals to x minus 3. Like this is the first equation and this is the second equation. Okay. From 1, that means from the 1 we have to find out the center. 2g equals to minus 1, g equals to minus 1 by 2, 2f equals to 3, f equals to 3 by 2. Center x1 comma y1, that is, we know that minus g comma minus f. Okay, I will write like this. Which is nothing but x1 comma y1 equals to 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2. Okay. Now from the first equation we have find out the center. Okay. Next, see here, actually they have asked the length of the chord. What is the length of chord formula? That is 2 root of r square minus d square. Right? To find out r, what's the formula for the r? equals to root of g square plus f square minus c. Right? To find out g, what we have to do? So we have to find out the center from this equation. That's why we have find out the center. That means gf. Gf is nothing but g equals to here, g equals to minus 1 by 2 and f is, don't confuse here, this is the center. G value is minus 1 by 2 and 3 by 2. Now substitute 1 by 2, that means minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 2 whole square minus c in the equation is 22. So here plus 22. Okay? Don't confuse me. So first they have asked to find out the length of the chord. We know the length of the chord formula is 2 root of r square minus d square. To find out first r, what we have to do? So this is the formula for r. This formula for here we have to find out g, f and c. Okay. We have find out the g, f. Now we are finding r value. So 1 by 4 plus 9 by 16, right? Plus 22. Okay, 9 by 4. Now here, take the LCM here. Okay, you can take 10 by 4 plus 22. Then you will get 5 by 2 plus 22. This is the 5. Then you will get here 22 2s, that means 44. 44 plus 5, that means 49 by 2. That which is nothing but here r. R is the value of root of 49 by 2. Now we have to find out the d value. Okay, that means r. We can square this r for this. Okay, now we have to find out the d. Okay, to find out d, what's the equation? From 1, that means first equation, that means circle equation, we got the center value. We know the note 2, that means a center from the circle equation which is passing through the line, the perpendicular distance formula. Now from the 1 means circle equation, that means here, this is the equation here they have given. From this, the center is what here? 1 by 2, that means c is nothing but minus 3 by 2. To the line, what's the line they have given? Y equals to x minus 3. The perpendicular distance. What's the formula for this? Actual ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. Okay. Now we have to see here a, b, c and a, b and c x1, y1 values. Here x1, y1 is nothing but 1 by 2 and minus 3 by 2. We have to see the x coefficient. Here x coefficient is 1. Now we'll write here the line is x. This y will go that side, means x minus y minus 3 equals to 0. Okay. And x1 comma y1 point is 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2. Here which is look as here a equals to 1, b equals to minus 1, c equals to minus 3. Okay, from this equation. Now substitute in the here. Okay. Now substitute here. That means b equals to mod. Here a is 1, x1 is 1 by 2 plus b is minus 1. Don't confuse here. Here the coefficient of y is minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 3 by 2 plus c. See here the c value is minus 3. That means constant. So minus 3 by root of, here a is 1. 1 square plus b is minus 1. Minus 1 whole square. Okay. Now we have to simplify and we have to find out the d value. D equals to mod 1 into 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Minus into minus plus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by root of 1 square is 1. Minus 1 whole square is 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 also is minus 1 only. Now D. Now take LCM here 2. That means here 2 is the LCM. And multiply every term with the 2. 1 by 2 into 2 is, see here, 1 by 2 into 2 means we will get 1 plus 3 minus 3 2s are 6 by root 2. Okay? It means root 2. I'll write here. Okay. D equals to 4 minus 6. That means D equals to mod. See here, this is the mod for only the numerator. So 4 minus 6 by 2 by root 2. So D equals to 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Minus 2 by 2 by root 2. 2 to get cancelled and D equals to minus 1 by root 2. Here minus 1 is, here mod is there, it will become as, that is D equals to 1 by root 2. Okay, don't confuse here, this is the mod here, mod is for only numerator. Okay, 4 minus 6 is minus 2 by 2. That means 2 will get cancelled and you will get the minus 1. And minus 1, if here mod is there for the minus 1, it will become as 1. So D is the value of 1 by root 2. We know the R value, that is root of 49 by 2. Now substitute the R and D here. Okay. Now here, that is 2 into root of, that means the value of R is root of 49 by 2 whole square. This root is for both 49 and also with the 2. Minus D is 1 by root 2 whole square. Okay, don't write root 49 by 2 and 1 by root 2. Here the whole square. We have find out only the R and D. So here we are squaring that. So the root will get cancelled. 49 by 2 minus 1. 1 square will be 1 only. And root 2 whole square is square and root will get cancelled by 2. 2 into root of, here LCM is 2 and 48. Now you multiply, that means you have to cancel it, that will become as 24. For further simplification, to root of, we can write 24 as 4 into 6. Then you will get root 4 into root 6. Root of A into B is root A into root B. Now root 4 is 2 into root 6. That is 4 root 6. So this is the length of the chord. Okay. That they have asked to find out. So 4 root 6 is the answer. Next we go for the second problem. So this is our next problem. They have given a circuit equation same as like before problem. We have to do this same method but the answer are different. Okay. First what we have to write, given x square plus y square minus 8x minus 2y minus 8 equals to 0. Next one is x plus y plus 1 equals to 0. Let this equation number 2 and let's this equation number 1. Now we have to find out the first, the length of chord means 2 into root of r square minus d square. So first we have to find out r square means we have to find out, that means r equals to root of g square plus f square minus c. So to find out a GF, what we have to do, from 1, that means G equals to 2G equals to minus 8, G equals to minus 4, 2F equals to minus 2, F equals to minus 1, that is center minus G comma minus F equals to minus 4 comma minus 1, 4 comma 1, that is the center. In R, that means minus 4 whole square plus minus 1 whole square plus 8. Here C is minus 8, so we'll get plus 8. That R equals to root of 4 square is 16 plus 1 plus 8. That equals to 25. 17 plus 8 is 25. Okay, right only. That means R is 5. Now we have to find out the D value. The D means we have to check that formula in center. From 1, I'll write from here. From 1, that means from the first equation. From the 1, that means point. What's the G comma F? We'll get here 4 comma 1. Okay? 4 comma 1 to the line. To the line, what's the line? X plus Y plus 1. Okay? X plus Y plus 1 equals to 0. Here A is 1, B is 1, C is 1. And x1 comma y1 is 4 comma 1. Now substitute here a x1 plus b y1 plus c by root of a square plus b square, right? D equals to, here a is 1, 4 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. We get 4 plus 2 by root 2. That equals to 6 by root 2. Okay. We have to substitute the D and R in the length of the chord. That only they have asked to find out. Okay. That means length of chord equals to 2 into root of R square minus D square. 2 into root of, what's the R? We know that 5. 5 whole square minus 6 by root 2 whole square. 2 into root of 22 minus 36 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 18s are. 25 minus 18, that is 2 root 7. That's it. Next section we will discuss the total exercise of exercise 1C. Okay. If you have any doubts till now, just comment me in the comment box and subscribe if you are not yet. Thank you.